It's finally here. The Chicago Bears 2014 season gets underway. A real game that counts. Kevin Fishbane alongside Arthur Arkush to break it all down for you when the Bears host the Buffalo Bills on Sunday. And Arthur, let's first look when the Bears have the football. We know what their offense can do. The best way the Bills can kind of keep things even is with their defensive line.
Yeah, it's one of the best in football, and it definitely can pose problems for a Bears offensive line that has lacked the continuity this offseason that they enjoyed last year, particularly on the right side. You've got Jordan Mills, hasn't participated in the preseason. I expect he's going to need some extra help as they needed last year. The Bears hope eventually they're going to be able to put him on an island, but not in week one against Mario Williams.
Now, the nice thing for the Chicago Bears, the Bills not known for their back seven. They have linebackers missing, or if they're hurt or suspended. Stephon Gilmore, Aaron Williams, pretty good, but not good enough to compete with Marshall Jeffrey Bennett. Other side of the football, we know what the Bills are going to try to do, run the football. They can't throw it as well, but with C.J. Spiller, Fred Jackson, it's quite the duo.
Absolutely, and it's of course an area where the Bears had their share of struggles last year, so I'm going to be focused on the young linebackers, Shea McClellan, John Bostic. How do they deal with the cutback lanes? Can they handle the misdirection that have caused so many issues for them in the preseason and last year? We know C.J. Spiller just dynamic in space, so they're going to have to be sure tackling, and obviously they're going to have to be stout up front with this rebuilt defensive line.
E.J. Manuel also can move a little bit. The Bears probably could attack that Bills right side of the offensive line with the 7th round rookie starting over there. Now, special teams, another thing the Bills could get an advantage on. They have a lot of speedy returners. C.J. Spiller, Marquise Goodwin, Leotis McKelvin. We know the Bears' coverage teams were not very good in the preseason. All right, Arthur, first week of the season, your first pick, putting you on the spot. Who you got?
I think the Bears are going to win comfortably. I like them 31-20, just too much firepower. I think they build an early lead and give E.J. Manuel trouble.
I think so, too. I think a lot of people are nervous after what they saw in Seattle, but I have Bears 37, Bills 24. That's it for our preview. Be sure to stick to ChicagoFootball.com for the best Bears coverage.